Here's how you can quickly generate a custom event invitation for your institution using the UNI Global AI Copilot. On the left-hand side of the screen, complete the short form. We've entered the event name as International Culture Day and the event description as a celebration of world culture. The location is set to Central Pavilion and the date is the 8th of May 2027, with the time from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. You can select a preferred language, model, and word count if you'd like. Once those details are in, just click the Generate button. Now, looking at the right-hand side, we can see the output. The AI has drafted a warm and engaging invitation that opens with a personal greeting, details the date and venue, and highlights the cultural experiences attendees can expect. From music and dance to interactive workshops and storytelling sessions. It's ready to be sent as is or adapted further. Once the invitation is generated, you can edit it, export it, or copy and paste it into your email platform or event materials.